Here's a detailed, exam-ready, and clinically oriented explanation of Carmustine organized under all your headings. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Carmustine. Drug class, alkylating agent, nitrosourea group, brand names, Bicinu, Gliadel wafer. Dosage forms, IV injection, powder for reconstitution, implantable wafer, Gliadel, placed intracranially after tumor resection. Nitrosoureas are unique because they are lipid-soluble, allowing them to cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. Definition. Carmustine is a cytotoxic anti-neoplastic agent used mainly in the treatment of brain tumors and lymphomas, acting by interfering with DNA function and causing cell death. 3. Mechanism of action. Carmustine exerts its effect through multiple mechanisms. A. DNA alkylation. Forms covalent bonds with DNA bases, especially guanine, leads to DNA cross-linking interstrand and intrastrand. B. Carbamylation of proteins, modifies proteins involved in DNA repair, inhibits tumor cell repair mechanisms. C. Cell cycle effect, non-cell cycle specific, but most active in rapidly dividing cells. Result, DNA strand breakage, inhibition of replication and transcription, apoptosis, cell death. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics, absorption, rapid after IV administration. Distribution, highly lipophilic, excellent CNS penetration, crosses blood-brain barrier, widely distributed in body tissues. Metabolism, rapid hepatic metabolism, produces active metabolites. Half-life, short plasma half-life, 15 to 30 minutes. Biological effects persist longer. Excretion, mainly renal, some excretion via expired CO2. Number 5, uses primary brain tumors, metastatic brain tumors, Hodgkin lymphoma, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, multiple myeloma, less common. Number 6, indications, glioblastoma multiforme, anaplastic astrocytoma, recurrent brain tumors, resistant lymphomas, adjunct therapy post-surgery, Gliadel wafer. Number 7, contraindications, hypersensitivity to carmustine, severe bone marrow depression, pregnancy, teratogenic, severe hepatic or renal impairment, relative. Number 8, before taking, precautions. Hematologic, monitor CBC regularly. Delayed bone marrow suppression, 4 to 6 weeks. Pulmonary, risk of pulmonary fibrosis, more common with cumulative doses. Hepatic and renal, monitor liver and kidney function. Reproductive, avoid pregnancy, may cause infertility. Others, avoid live vaccines, increased infection risk. Number 9, how to use Tashat IV administration, given by slow IV infusion, must be prepared carefully, unstable drug. Implant, Gliadel wafer, placed in surgical cavity after tumor removal, provides localized chemotherapy. Number 10, dosing information. IV dose, typical 150 to 200 milligram every 6 weeks, can be divided over 2 days. Dose adjustments, based on blood counts, organ function, previous chemotherapy. Number 11, misdose and overdose. Misdose, not applicable, hospital administered. Overdose, severe myelosuppression, liver kidney failure, pulmonary toxicity, no specific antidote, supportive care. Number 12, stop or avoid taking stop drug if severe leukopenia or thrombocytopenia, lung toxicity symptoms, hypersensitivity reactions, severe organ toxicity. Side effects, common, nausea and vomiting, often severe, bone marrow suppression, delayed, weakness, fatigue, hematologic, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, pulmonary fibrosis, late serious, hepatic, elevated liver enzymes, renal dysfunction. Others, skin pigmentation, secondary malignancies, long-term. Number 14, vital key information. Delayed toxicity is hallmark, especially bone marrow suppression, requires long-term follow-up. Pulmonary toxicity may appear months to years later. Cumulative dose increases risk. Number 15, drug interactions. Other cytotoxic drugs, immunosuppressants, infection risk, hepatotoxic drugs, liver damage, radiation therapy, additive toxicity. Number 16, drug comparison feature, Carmustine, lomustine. Class, nitrosourea, route, IV, implant, oral. CNS penetration, excellent. Use, brain tumors, lymphoma, brain tumors. Convenience, hospital-based, oral outpatient, toxicity, pulmonary risk higher, similar but less implant use. Number 17, patient teaching and guide for Carmustine. Patient teaching for Carmustine. 1. Understanding the treatment. Carmustine is a chemotherapy medicine used to treat cancers, especially brain tumors and lymphomas. It works by killing cancer cells, but it can also affect normal cells, leading to side effects. Number 2. Importance of follow-up. Regular blood tests are essential, even weeks after treatment. Keep all appointments for blood counts, liver and kidney function tests, lung function monitoring. Important, side effects can be delayed 4 to 6 weeks later. None of 3, infection prevention. Because the drug lowers immunity. Avoid crowded places, stay away from sick people, wash hands frequently, use a mask if needed. Report immediately. Fever, sore throat, signs of infection. 4. Bleeding precautions. Due to low platelets, avoid injuries and sharp objects, use a soft toothbrush, avoid shaving with blades, use electric razor. Report unusual bruising, bleeding gums, blood in urine or stool. Nasher 5. Lung safety. Very important. Carmustine can cause serious lung damage, pulmonary fibrosis. Watch for shortness of breath, persistent cough, chest tightness. Report these symptoms immediately. Number 6. Nausea and vomiting management. Take anti-nausea medicines as prescribed. Eat small, frequent meals. Avoid oily or spicy foods. Stay hydrated. Number 7. Fatigue management. Expect tiredness. Take adequate rest. Avoid heavy physical work. Maintain light activity if possible. Number 8. Reproductive and pregnancy advice. Do not become pregnant during treatment. Effective contraception, both men and women. Avoid breastfeeding. May affect fertility. Discuss with doctor if planning children. Lifestyle advice. Avoid smoking, increases lung toxicity risk. Avoid alcohol, reduces liver stress. Maintain balanced diet. 10. Drug and vaccine precautions. Do not take new medicines without consulting doctor. Avoid live vaccines. Inform doctor about all medications and supplements. 11. When to seek immediate help. Contact doctor immediately if you notice fever or infection signs, difficulty breathing, severe vomiting, bleeding or bruising, extreme weakness, yellowing of skin, eyes, liver issue. Number 12. Psychological support. It's normal to feel anxious or stressed. Seek support from family, support groups, healthcare providers. Key points to remember. Side effects may appear late. Regular monitoring is critical. Lung symptoms are serious warning signs. Infection prevention is essential. Thank you. Have a nice day.